you started your movement around August, September, November, or December of previous year of 2024. And this issue of this video, this recorded video, happened around that late 2024 stroke, early last year. Something is fishing. Something is fishing.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, Lizzy Anjorin ti tú àṣírí Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ ìyàwó rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ó ti tú àṣírí gbogbo wọn o nínú fọ́nrán tí ẹ̀ ń wò lọ yìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ fi ara balẹ̀ kí ẹ wò láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé ìparí torí wípé ọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ ni Lizzy Anjorin tí ó sọ.
Something is fishing. So now my own concern is Iyabo Ojo, the gist lover. The audio we all listened to yesterday has exonerated and cleared the Agbesun that Baboniyo has never ever carry in a kolagi touch the Agbesun totori toto. So Iyabo Ojo, if truly Nakpako did not happen within these people, what brought your own phone? What led to issue of giving you iPhone? I want to know. We'll play the audio, we'll all listen to it. As for the Iyaoniyo, I can never ever talk to you. I can never ever forgive you if I happens to be your husband, or if I happens to be your husband's family. Dobuni. But thank God, I am not your husband. I am not your husband's family. You did not just betray your husband. You betray your son. You destroy the image of that boy. You disgrace yourself. Remember I said something yesterday night. Unity immediately back pada in your come para. Any reasonable mother will not beg your husband or your husband family. Begging your husband father is like papa like joy. Gbogbo yín tẹ́ ń pe bàbá ọkọ, tẹ́ ń sọ pé kán jọ̀ọ́. Ṣebí tí bàbá yẹn bá ti kú, ṣe bójú yín máa mọ́. Ṣebí tí bàbá yẹn bá ti kú, ẹ lè sọ fún lady yẹn pé kókò take an exit, kó delete gbogbo social media handle, kó dẹ̀ travel lọ sọ́nà jíjìn tí wọn ò ní rí, tóun náà ò ní rí wọn mọ́. Telling the husband pé ẹ kó títorí ọmọ wo ẹ ó ṣáà lọ́mọ lọ́wọ́ níbo? Ẹ fẹ́ràn gẹ́ yẹn, fẹ́ pa gẹ́ yẹn, ẹ fẹ́ pa gẹ́ yẹn, ẹ fẹ́ pa gẹ́ yẹn, ẹ really fẹ́ pa gẹ́ yẹn. tí a bá ní ká sọ̀rọ̀ síbi tọ́rọ̀ wà, a lè bá ìyá oníyan bẹ̀bẹ̀ àfi tá a bá fẹ́ ṣe àbòsí. Ìyá oníyan mọ̀ pé òun níyàlé náà. Ìyá oníyan dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ilé olórogún lọkọ òun ti wá. Ìyá oníyan mọ̀ pé breadwinner lọkọ òun. Òwúyẹ́ aṣòro sọ bí ọ̀rọ̀. Ṣé tí ìyàwó ọmọ yín bá wù sí ní ikú, ṣé lè ṣe ìdáríjì fún? Tí ẹ bá dáríjì ìyàwó ọmọ yín yẹn, ẹ nàka sókè pé ẹ ní pa tó bá padà wálé. Ìyá oníyan, ṣé o mọ̀ pé mi ti ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ọ́díò yẹn rí báyìí tí mò ń bínú sí ẹ níjẹta pé kí ló tó ṣe wẹ̀ sọ́wọ́. Àwọn onítìátà ẹ̀ máa ń set èèyàn up.